It's not working. It's just not working.
But what do you mean?
Well, what is it that isn't working?
Why did it turn out like this for me? I had so much promise. I was personable. I was smart. Maybe not academically speaking, but every decision I've ever made in my life has had the complete opposite effect of how I want it to be. Where did it go so wrong?
Tuna on toast, croissant, and a cup of coffee, right?
Yeah, no, wait a minute. I've always had tuna on toast. Nothing's ever worked without me on tuna on toast. I want the complete opposite of tuna on toast. Chicken salad, on rye, untoasted, and a cup of tea.
Okay, well there's no telling what can happen from this.
Well, you know, chicken salad is not the opposite of tuna. Salmon is. Because the salmon swim against the current and the tuna with it.
Good for the tuna.
George, my mum's looking at you, just across. Look.
So what? What am I supposed to do?
Go talk to her.
Elaine, bald men with no jobs, with no money, who live with their parents, don't approach strange women.
Well, here's your chance to do the opposite. Instead of tuna salad and being intimidated by women, chicken salad and go right up to them.
Yeah, I should do the opposite. I should.
If every instinct you have is wrong, then the opposite will have to be right.
Yeah, I should do the opposite. I've been sitting here regretting it for the rest of my days. And now I will do the opposite, and I will do something. Hello. I couldn't help but notice you were looking in my direction.
Oh yes, I was. You just ordered the same exact lunch as me.
My name is George. I'm unemployed, and I live with my parents.
I'm Victoria. Hi.